Let us discuss this LeetCode question, sort matrix by diagonals. We are given with an n by n matrix where we need to sort the elements which are at the upper triangular diagonals should be sorted in increasing order, and the decreasing order will be for the lower triangular matrix including the middle diagonal. Now, let me see. I'll take this diagonal, I'll take the next diagonal, and the next, and then the next, till from here, and then here, and then here, and then here. See, I am starting with 0 and 3. This will be the first diagonal. Now, if I start with 0 and 2, I need to go to 1 and 3. This is the next element. That means the diagonal element to 0, comma 2. And then if I start with 0, comma 1, then I need to go to 1, comma 2, and then 2, comma 3. So, I think you got the logic that to go through these diagonal elements, you need to add 1 to the row and also to the column. But the thing is, how do I know whether I need to sort in the increasing or decreasing order? For that, I'll call for this function f, where it will take the grid which is given and also where I am starting. So if I am starting from here, that means I am starting with I, which is from, which will be starting from 1 and which is less than n. So it will start from 1 and less than n. So it will start 1, 2 and 3. My I value or the row value is 0 and it will be I. But here it will be increasing. So I'll start by returning true. It will tell the function that it is an increasing diagonal. We should sort it in increasing way. So this will be my for loop for I, which is from 1 till less than n. So I is from 1 to n. Now the same algorithm or the same for here, which will start from j is equal to 0 as is mentioned. The middle will also be sorted in decreasing order from 0 till n, and function f will be called with false. The row is I and the column is always 0. So here in the f, the function here, we will run a while loop till our row is less than n and also the column is also less than n, and we will change. We will push back into a temp array and we will change all the elements in sorted way, either in increasing or in decreasing. If it is increasing, you need to write in increasing order, or if it is in decreasing order, you need to push back in decreasing order. So this is how you solve this problem. If you want the code, it is in the link of the description. If you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.